Growing your own food or flowers is fun, exciting, and super rewarding. But don't be fooled, it takes some work too. Let's learn how to start a garden step by step. Before you start digging, you need to decide what to grow. Do you want yummy vegetables, like tomatoes, carrots, or bell peppers? Or maybe colorful flowers like sunflowers and marigolds? You can even grow something unique, like red cabbage or extra hot peppers. Next, find the perfect spot. Most plants need lots of sunlight, so choose a place where they can soak up the sun. Now it's time to prepare the soil. Use a small shovel or a rake to loosen the dirt. This helps plant roots grow strong. You might also want to mix in some compost or plant food to give your plants extra nutrients. Time to plant. If you're growing from seeds, follow the instructions on the seed packet to know how deep to plant them. If you have small plants, gently place them in the soil and cover their roots. Plants get thirsty too. Make sure to water your garden regularly, especially on hot days. But don't overdo it. Too much water can hurt your plants. As your garden grows, you'll need to take care of it. Pull out weeds so they don't steal nutrients from your plants. Watch out for insects or hungry animals that might try to snack on your veggies. You may need a little fence to keep them out. After weeks of care, your garden will be ready to harvest. Picking fresh food from your own garden is the best part. You can use your homegrown veggies in meals and enjoy all your hard work. Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to gardening, head to twinkl.com.